Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to make you familiar with this ONNX model view. Suppose you don't want to convert your existing model to ONNX model file format. So what you can do, you can directly use some pre-trained model. So if you have already worked with the deep learning, so I think you know what is like you can say transfer learning and what is model zoo. So in that model zoo you will be getting some pre-trained model like they have already trained and you can say given you, so you can directly download that and you can directly use that. So this kinds of functionality also provides this ONNX. So if you don't want to train, that's fine. Okay, so you can directly use this pre-trained model and you can run it on ONNX runtime. So let me show you. So if you go to Google and search here ONNX model zoo, uh, ONNX model zoo, if you search it and if you go this first link, so this is official model, so this is official ONNX GitHub. So here at the bottom you can see yeah, this is the model zoo, and these are some pre-trained model are available already, okay, for you. So that is for image classification, okay, like you have VGZ, AlexNet, ResNet, MobileNet, okay, DenseNet, all the model are available. Okay, you can directly download that and you can use that. And also you have like domain based image classification like MNIST handwritten recognition. Okay, so I'll be giving you an example by using that model. Okay, so we'll be downloading that model and we'll be doing the inferencing on top of our ONNX runtime. Then you have also object detection and image segmentation model. See, you have YOLO, Retina Net, then faster RCN and SSD. Okay, all the all the model are available. Like your you can say a normal framework. Okay, whatever normal framework you use. So like that, here you also have, you can say, all the model. Okay, so you can directly download that and make sure it would be downloaded as ONNX model file. Okay, so the extension would be .onx file. So here you don't have to convert like you can say to ONNX file format. So what you can do here, after downloading the model, you don't have to worry about your framework. You can use any kinds of framework, or you can use also your ONNX runtime for inferencing the model. Okay, so this is the functionality it provides, and it is also see face and gesture analysis also it provides this. Then image manipulation, not only just computer vision, but also it also supports for you can say this NLP, like speech and audio processing. Okay, uh, then language modeling. Okay, so all the model are available, so that is like beautiful package, I can say. Okay, so you can directly refer. And otherwise like if and otherwise like there is another way. Okay, so if you have heard of this Azure ML, so it is in cloud. Okay, so there you have to log in, and it is, yeah, actually obviously it is paid, but there you can get that model automatically. So there what you need to do, you just need to upload your data, and after uploading your data you will be setting some parameters, then you will be training your model. After training your model, if you just if you want to download that model, so you can directly download this ONNX model file format. Okay, so this kinds of functionality nowadays like clouds also provides. Okay, so you don't have to worry. And otherwise like you can manually convert that model to ONNX file format. So that I have already showed you, and I will be showing you in our further video also. So yes, this was like all about from this video. I just wanted to make you familiar with this ONNX model zoo. And now I think you got to know like if you want any kinds of model, okay, a big model, so instead of training that, you just directly download from here, and you can directly utilize here. Uh, and you can directly utilize that. So yes, in the next video, I'll be showing you a demo using this ONNX model zoo. I will be downloading the MNIST handwritten digit recognition model, and I will do the inferencing on my ONNX runtime. So thank you.